Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Bodnar. I'm continuing the series of tutorials regard to school registration system. This project is done using Visual C# and Microsoft SQL Server 2019. This tutorial has the goal to create a searching method which will search the students by first name. You can do this searching by last name, address, mobile. You can use this searching after any of these columns of a student table. Usually the search is done after last name because the last name is suggestive actually, but because as you can see here in this column, name it is last name, the names are the same, Bodnar. I'm going to use the searching by first name because here, as you can see, the first name is different. Yeah, so this is just an example, and you can do this searching as you want. So in order to do this, I'm going to place a text box here on this display student data form. I'm going to resize this, click on this arrow and check this multi-line to resize this text box. Yeah, alright. Okay, open the properties window and here give a name for this text box like txt search. Yeah, alright, enter. And I need a label as well. I'm going to place it above here and open the properties window, and here in this text box I'm going to write like searching by first name. Okay, as I told you, this method, this algorithm of searching, you can build it, you can make it as you want. I use the first name to search after first name. Let's move this a bit. Okay, let's change the font like 10 and use bold for font style. Yeah, alright. So the idea is when I'm going to type in this text box first name, all that first name typed in this text box will be displayed in this data grid view. All right, so let's go here inside the code related to this form, display student data. Yeah, and here I already done the method which is going to search by first name. So this method, as you can see, is public. Type void the name of the method search by first name. This method has a parameter, string parameter, which has this name first name. On this line I declared another string search variable which will hold this transact SQL statement. What is doing this transact SQL statement will select the first name inside this column of the student table here inside this Microsoft SQL server. This statement contains the select keyword asterisk, another keyword from, the name of the table student. Let me to check the name. Yeah, it's good, student. Yeah, all right. Where first name, so this is the field of the student table. It is about this one, first name. Yeah, as you can see, another keyword like, and after this operator, this percentage operator, and between this plus operator is placed this first name string variable. Actually, this string variable first name will hold the the first name typed inside this text box. Yeah. All right. Here I create an instance of this object CMD using this class SQL command, which will store the value of this string variable search, and as you have seen, this variable, this search variable, is holding this SQL transact SQL statement. Yeah, actually we'll hold the first name that you are looking for, and also this CMD object will store this method open con, which will open the connection with SQL Server. Also, I need to close this connection. I'm going to copy this statement and paste it in here, because always after we open a connection with the SQL Server, we have to close that connection also. You need here in the top of your code to use this class SQL command to create this object CMD, and after come down here inside this search by first name method and create this instance of this object CMD. Here is another object, another instance created by using this class SQL data adapter, and inside the parentheses I used this object CMD, as you can see, because this object will store the first name what we are looking for. Here is another instance of this object DT created using this class data table, and we use this data PT object to access the fill method, which will fill this object with the name what we are looking for, and finally the data grid view will be filled in with the first name what we are looking for, and this on this line the connection with the SQL Server will be closed. All right, I'm going to select the text box, open the properties windows, select the events, and here I'm going to use this event text change. Give a double click inside this empty box enclosed to this event. Yeah. All right, and here that will lead you inside this method with this event text changed. Here inside this method I'm going to use actually this method, which will be looking for the first name typed inside this text box. Yeah. All right, parentheses. Inside the parentheses I'm going to use the name of the text box, text search, and this property text. All right, semicolon. Let's release this application. Let's release the student form, and click on data, and here is my form, as you can see. Okay, let's type here like Joseph. Yeah, as you can see, I typed just I, and straight away this first name Joseph came up. Yeah. All right, let me to use another like Carmen. I type C. You see, I don't need to type another letter, because all the first name which starting with the C letter will come up. All right, so in this way this searching box will work. I'm gonna go here to fix a bit this design. I'm gonna to resize this data grid view. I'm gonna to place it this text box a bit lower. Okay, and this one, yeah, it looks better. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.